Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to check serial number on your headphones Vivo TWS 2. And basically you have two options how to do it. The first one is to have a box. Just turn over the box and right here at the bottom we have SN, what means serial number, so you can check it here. And the second option is to use a charging case. So right here near to the right one earbud we have SN. Did you see it? Right here we have SN, what means serial number, so you can check it also here. That's it. You can't check it in the application because the application haven't this information. So only these two options. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!